Hi Internet, Reiny Brain here. Today I'm going to be making a set of ATCs inspired by some Stickii Club stickers from the June Retro Pack and the play Our Town. So I don't have much of a plan, but these stickers are really cute and inspiring, and when I was flipping through the script for Our Town, I found some words that I thought would go nicely with them. So I'm going to attempt to make a pair of ATCs inspired by those things. So these are the two stickers that I'm going to be using. They're both these really neat mermaids with flowers. And one of them is featuring a sunflower. So in the script for Our Town, there are some lines about Mrs. Gibbs' garden and Mrs. Webb's garden. And Mrs. Webb's garden has a lot of sunflowers. So I thought that would be really cute to incorporate into the cards. I'm going to go over the top one again with orange just so it stands out more. There is a big glob of paint right where I want the sticker to go, and it's causing troubles. So I'm just trying to trim it off. Okay, so there's the first card. Now it's time to get started on the second one. And for the top bit of text, I want to use pink for the border, but I don't have a pink ink pad, so I'll be using a pink paint pen instead. And there she is. So please let me know in the comments what you think of these ATCs. I personally really love the Mermaids. They were again from the Stickii Club June retro pack, and the feature artist was Cherry Rabbit. Fun bonus fact if you stuck around this long is that a few years ago I was in a production of Our Town where I played Mrs. Webb. So the words on these ATCs hold an extra level of meaning for me, and that makes them a little more personal, so I honestly don't know if I will be giving them away or keeping them. I really like how they turned out, and I hope you do too. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!